Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys the top cases that I really like using for the iPhone 11 that are under $20. So first off, the only Apple case I currently own for the iPhone 11 is actually the clear case. And I actually got it because I thought it was gonna look nice. You get to see the color of your iPhone 11, and just have a minimalistic look to your iPhone. But after using it for like almost 2 days, the clear case, I decided not to use it no more because it would just felt slippery on my hands. I felt like I had no grip, and I was just scared I was going to drop it every time, even though, of course, in the case, it should protect it from falls and scratches and everything. I just don't like using it because of that reason. But of course, there are some great alternatives on Amazon, which is where I searched for these cases that I'm currently going to share with you guys. So the first case is called, well, I don't know the name of the case, but it's from the brand Caseology. So Caseology, of course, makes these awesome, cool looking iPhone 11 cases. So I got this one, and I got it because first off, of course, in Amazon, it looked really interesting. And I just like the honeycomb kind of cool design, but also the cool grip. So like when you slide over your fingers and everything here, you have all these little bumps, and it just feels secure that you're not going to drop it anytime soon. And so yeah, it just looks really great. Of course, now it's not like the clear case where I get to see the background of the phone, and see how the awesome color green is. But it's fantastic. It works, and it's been my go-to case ever since. And this was under $20. Next, we have this case here. It's a silicone case, which is by ESR. So ESR, of course, makes some fantastic cases for your iPhone, and this is a silicone case. So I wanted to get the Apple case, the Apple silicone case, but I did not want to spend another $50 or $60 Canadian for a case. So I went on Amazon again and got myself this cheap little silicone case that has done the job, and it just feels really great on the hands, and it does a fantastic job of protecting your iPhone 11 from drops, and it just looks really nice if you are into having a silicone case and you don't want to spend those $50 or $60 Canadian for the official Apple silicone case. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the top cases that I currently use. Of course, like I said, I have this one here, the clear case one by Apple. I have not used it ever since just because I'm scared I'm going to drop it because of my hands. I guess I don't have good grips on my hands, and it just slides off slowly. I do have another case that I'm playing around with, so stay tuned for a video about that, but here's a little tease about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys that there's some cool alternatives. Of course, I will be posting the link to these cases in the description below, so you guys go check them out. And that's pretty much it. And tell me what you guys think of your favorite cases or cases that I should check out, and maybe do reviews for the iPhone 11. And I will see you guys later. Peace.